What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. If you are new, I would love for you to take one quick second, go down below, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell button so you'll never miss when I post a new video. Today's video is focused on a length check, and I'm also going to be telling you guys about the products and how they've been working for me and if I've been enjoying them. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, then I've already spoiled it a little bit because I can't stop talking about these products. They've been working so well, but I'm gonna give you guys a little bit more details. Now, if you guys want more information on the starting of this hair growth challenge and giving you guys a little more insight on the products, then definitely check out the first video where I introduced the challenge, and make sure you follow me on Instagram so that you're updated with me throughout this entire process. Now, at this point, I'm about 2.5 weeks into the hair growth challenge. I basically use the oil and the mask every wash day or every time I wash my hair. And I've also been using the oil with my protective styles within, you know, to massage my scalp and all that good stuff. And honestly, the products have been working phenomenally. Now, me specifically, I don't ever really focus on length, but because this is a hair growth challenge, obviously I have to continue checking my length. I have not checked my length since starting using the products, but what I have noticed is that my hair feels so much better. Like, when I'm telling you my hair feels so much better, it's so good. The oil I use as a pre-poo, and I also, like I said, use it within my protective styles just to help moisturize my scalp and my strands. I really do feel like the oil has been doing a good job at moisturizing my hair. And what I love the most about this oil is the fact that I don't feel like my scalp is dirty. I don't feel like I have too much going on in my head. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but sometimes, especially when I have protective styles like box braids or twists and I oil my scalp, I kind of feel like this itching sensation like a day or two down the line. With this oil, I have not felt that at all. I don't know what they put in this oil, but it has been working amazing. Okay, shout out to Bomba Curls for creating this amazing product. Hopefully I've gotten some length. I do kind of see some length, especially in comparison to the first video. I feel like my hair looked a little bit shorter, but granted, it has only been 2 weeks, so I don't expect to have any immense growth with my hair because it does take time. The hair mask has also been a real good product for me. I've honestly finished the product. There's only a tad bit left, and that's because my hair just drinks this thing up, y'all. Like, I really love using this mask. It smells so good, and the good thing about this mask also is that you can put it in your hair and leave a little bit, like as you're rinsing it out, just leave a tad bit in your hair to also use it as a leave-in conditioner. Without further ado, I think it's time we do a quick little 2.5 week length check. I didn't want this video to be too long because I wanted to get straight to the point and just give you guys a quick update. So I'm gonna try to do this the same way that I did it in my last video, so I know for a fact. Oh, you know what? I should have worn that same shirt that I wore last time. I'm gonna change. 1 second. All right, so we have on our shirt. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our length check. And I do this specifically so that you guys can have an easier visual of my hair growth if there has been any, okay? So just like I did in the first video, I'm just gonna grab a piece in the front. Alright, you guys, so there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you want more details on either the forbidden oil or the forbidden hair mask, definitely check out the videos in the description box below. I have featured the Bomba Curls hair mask as my deep treat for the week, where I give you guys a breakdown of the product and how it works on my hair. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!